How to fix can't change App Store region on iPhone after iOS 26 update. In this video, I will show you how to fix issues when you can change your App Store region on your iPhone after the iOS 26 update. This problem is common, but I'll walk you through the steps to solve it quickly. You can check if you have any active subscription like Apple Music, iCloud, or app subscription. Apple won't let you change your region if you still have active ones. So you can just go to your iPhone's settings, Apple ID, and subscriptions, and cancel or wait until they expire. Next, make sure your Apple ID balance is zero. If you still have credits left in your current region, you won't be able to switch. You can either spend the remaining balance or contact Apple support to clear it for you. Now, on your iPhone, you can just go to Settings, Apple ID, Media and Purchases, and tap View Account. From there, select Country and Region and tap Change Country or Region right here. You can choose the new country and then agree to the terms and conditions. When prompted, enter a valid payment method and billing address for the new region that you have. Like if you're switching for US store, you'll need a US billing address and payment option like a debit card, PayPal, or gift card from that region. If it's this not working out after the iOS 26 update still, try signing out of your Apple ID completely and then signing back in. You can also restart your iPhone to refresh system settings. In most cases, this clears the restriction at all. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel, and if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments below.